Fascinating. Hey, right now, Central Texas and North Texas still getting pounded by this rain. Some flash flood warnings still extended into today from yesterday as well. But home, it's dry conditions for us. We're really sandwiched in between two systems, a low system to our south, this meaning that it's a low system that's sticking around the area, and then a high pressure system coming over to the Pacific Northwest that's going to warm us up as we go into the weekend. Our air quality staying in that moderate range with an AQI of 57 that continues to improve. It was 58 yesterday, so hopefully that'll be the trend going forward. Those winds that we're experiencing, well, this morning, nothing like what we were experiencing earlier this week. Could see some 11-mile-per-hour gusts around Tehachapi, be around 11:30 this morning. That's going to continue into the afternoon, so around 4 p.m. could see some wind gusts just under 15 miles per hour in our desert communities, and that's going to be kind of the trend going forward into tonight as well. Over the next 10 days, staying around where we should be. High of 84 today and tomorrow, 85 for Friday. Temperature's going to rise slightly because of that high pressure system. Warmest day looks to be Saturday at high of 87. Those 80s continuing with us through next week. Now Sunday could see some rain in our mountain and desert communities. There's a system to our south that could bring some rain to those areas. But Wednesday next week, we're back into those 70s, lows staying in the 50s and 60s for us. For the Kern River Valley, a high of 78 today, high 70s until Friday when 81 makes an appearance. Those 80s continuing through the weekend, 78 on Monday, and those lows in the 50s. Tehachapi, a high of 71. Those low 70s really staying with us throughout the next 7 days. In Fraser Park, high of 67, 67 tomorrow as well, jumping back into the 70s. But again, your lows staying in those 40s.